Whiskey.
Hotel N2KNW, you are 59 into Florida.
Station Kilo November Whiskey maybe.
Hotel November 2, Nancy 212, November 2, Kilo November Whiskey.
November 2, Kilo November Whiskey, is it right?
Hotel, that's correct. That is correct.
5x3, 53 for you. November 2, Kilowatt November Whiskey. 5x3, 53. My name is Vlado, like Victor Lima Alpha Delta Oscar. Vlado, my name. November 2, Kilowatt November Whiskey. Ocean Mike 3, Tango Whiskey Mike. Thank you. Good afternoon.
Okay, troops. I just worked that OM3 with 200 watts and a mobile antenna. I did not put up the G5 RV today because the fish line needs restringing. That got all hosed up the last time I was out here, so I haven't had a chance to do that yet. But here's what we're using for the antenna today. Just the Hamstick on the trunk with about 50 feet of coax running back into the station here. This is a better location than City West Shelter if we're going to do the Dunes thing again. This is Duneside Shelter, and it has electric. I'm set up here on the east side of the shelter. But the nice, sweet thing about this little deal is they've got electric here. There's two outlets with dual plugs in them. One here on the south side and one that I'm using here fed off of the north side. So that's the deal. We got electric for next time. We just have to reserve it in time. This was already taken when I set up the Dunes thing, but it's a better location, really, much cleaner than City West was. Smaller as far as the shelter goes, but much cleaner. Plenty of room for antennas. We could easily get 2 antennas in here, I think. There's a huge grassy area surrounded by quite a few trees, and a couple of them are pretty much in the clear. You might only have to wrestle with one, sort of to get back off in the woods a little bit, but the first 2 out here at front would be a piece of cake to get over. And then to get another antenna out there somewhere, kind of spread out a little bit, we could do something else, or possibly a vertical. You know, we don't always have to do 2 G5 RVs. But I thought I'd show you this, because if we decide to do this again next year, with or without the Indiana Park business, I don't know how well that's going to continue to play. But if we do this as a special event again, I think this would be a heck of a better location. It is pretty secluded back here. We're pretty much on our own. You wouldn't get a lot of visitor traffic through here. You might, because if we publicize it a little bit in the park, but we're pretty much on our own back here. This is Duneside Shelter, and it sits on the let's see, that'd be the southeast side of the park, almost at the end of the shelter access roads. There's one more down here called Tremont, which is almost too much for us. But this would be ideal, I think, if we do the parks again. So I just wanted to get that on record, load this up, and see what you guys think of it.